Picture this. Someone collapsed at work. A person shouts, "Call someone." Another person asks, "Where is the AED kit?" Someone else says, "Who knows CPR?" While everyone is trying to figure out something, valuable time is lost. That confusion can make emergency worse. Every workplace needs emergency plan. Not a thick binder that's sitting on the shelf and nobody read. A simple plan that tells every worker what to do, where to go, and who is responsible for what. Because when something goes wrong, the question should be, who does what? Yes, the question should be, who does what? Now, think emergency response like a soccer team. If every player runs towards the ball, the team loses his shape. But when every player knows their position, the team works together. A workplace emergency is the same. One person call emergency service, one person bring the first aid kit, one person get the AED, and one person keep the area clear. Another person meet the responder and guide them to the emergency. A good plan turns the confusion into coordinated action. You do not need everyone doing everything. You need the right people doing the right thing. So now let's talk about know who to call. The first thing every employee should know is who to call. For a serious emergency, call 911 or your local emergency number immediately. But a worker should also know who is the supervisor on duty, who is the trained first aid, who knows CPR and how to use AED, who is responsible leading the emergency response. Do not wait until someone collapses to start asking these questions. Emergency number should be clearly posted, and every employer should know the exact address of his workplace. When speaking to emergency service, be ready to give the company or building name, the street address, the entrance, the floor or the unit number, and any nearby landmark that help the responder to find you. Clear direction, save time. And in an emergency, time matters a lot. The thing I wanted us to talk is about knowing where the equipment is. The next question is simple. Where is the emergency equipment? Every employee should know the location of the first aid kit, the AED, the protective gloves, the fire extinguisher, the emergency exit, and the outside meeting area. The AED cannot help if nobody finds it. The first aid kit cannot help if it's empty. The emergency equipment should be easy to see, easy to reach, easy to use, and ready. And don't forget this. Check your emergency equipment regularly. Replace missing item, expired battery, or... So now, what is your role? During emergency, assign a clear role and job. One person call 911. One person stay with the person who need help. One person get the first aid kit. One person bring the AED. One person keep the coworker and the bystander away. One person go outside to meet the ambulance and the fire crew. Remember this. After the emergency, someone document what happened according to the workplace process. Not everyone need to be the first aid expert, but every employee should know how to support a response. Here is the rule. Do not shout, "Somebody call 911. Choose and point the person and give a directive. A directive like, "You in the blue shirt, call 911 and come back to tell me it has been done. A clear instruction reduces confusion. So now is the scene safe? Before helping someone, stop and look around. Ask yourself this question. Is the area safe? Watch for vehicle, forklift or machinery, live electricity, fire or smoke, or chemical spill or dangerous fume, broken glass, or violence or other hazard. And hear this. If the scene is safe, help according to your training. And if the scene is unsafe, keep order away and call your local emergency service. Stop machinery if it's safe to do so. Use cone, tape, or barrier if they are available to create a line around the incident. Keep unnecessary people away from the scene. A control area protects the person, the helper, and the emergency responders. Now, this is an important point. Have you practiced your emergency plan? A plan that nobody practices is just a document sitting. Your team should know the plan before the emergency happens. Now, ask your employee this simple question. Where is the AED? Where is the first aid kit? Who called 911? Who meet the ambulance? Where is the evacuation meeting point? What happened if the supervisor is absent? This question does not require a long meeting. A 5-minute safety discussion in your workplace can reveal serious gap. So if you don't know, short drill can help the employee remember their role. The goal is simple. When emergency happens, your team should not be starting from zero. So now, let's talk about the common mistake that usually happen. Here are the 7 workplace emergency mistakes that can delay help. Mistake number 1, nobody knows who's trained. Employee assume someone else will respond to emergency. Mistake number 2, emergency equipment are missing or are not accessible. The first aid kit is empty. The AED is locked away. Mistake number 3, nobody knows the exact location. The emergency service will receive incomplete direction. Mistake number 4, too many people crowd the scenes. This block access and create more stress. Mistake number 5, instructions are too vague. Somebody call 911 may result on nobody calling. Mistake number 6, plan has never been practiced. Employee knows document exist, but they do not know what the document says. Mistake number 7, hazard and near miss are ignored. So what people don't know, small signs at the workplace are the ones that usually develop to become the serious emergency if they are not taken care of. These mistakes are preventable. A strong emergency plan is simple, visible, accessible, and practiced. Now, how is the quick test for your workplace? Without checking a document, can your employee answer this question? Who called 911? Where is the first aid kit? Ask them that question as a test. What is the workplace exact address? Which entrance the emergency responder should use? Which entrance the emergency responder should use? Who meet them outside? Where everyone gather during the evacuation? If your team cannot answer this question, your workplace may not be ready. But that is not a reason to panic. It's a reason to prepare. Look, a workplace emergency plan is not only for large company. Small business need one. Daycare need one. Church need one. Warehouse need one. A gym club need one. Office, construction site, sport facility, community organization need one. Because the first few minutes of an emergency belong to people already in the scene. Look, watching this video can improve your awareness, but Practice is what builds confidence. So ask yourself this question. If someone collapses in your workplace today, will your team know exactly what to do? If your answer is no or you are not sure, Action Bafoli can help you prepare for your first aid, CP and AED emergency response training. Also call me at the link below for 10 minutes to discuss about your need, your plan, and your schedule. Now, as a bonus, even if you are not ready, take the emergency readiness check at the link below and see you next time.